Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can work with bookmarks in Power BI. I will go to my view. I will select bookmarks and selection. And here we will create two bookmarks. One will be for the graph and one will be for the table. So when you click on graph, it will only show the graph. And when you will click on table, it will show on the table. You can do it for multiple visuals that you have on your Power BI. So it will help you toggle between the visuals. So first, I will select I will show the graph one and I will add a bookmark here. I will name it as graph. Now I will select another bookmark and I will name it as table. So my two bookmarks are created. Now in order to create the button, I will just go to insert here on the top. I will go on buttons. I will go down to navigator and I will select bookmark navigator. And it will automatically bring two buttons here. So because we have created two bookmarks, if you have more, it will show more. Now, if you will have to select for this one, you will have to select control plus click. So if I control plus click on graph, it will show graph. If I go and control plus click on table, it will show table. You can also format this bookmark navigator from here. So let me close this. And if I could go on format navigator, you can format the shape. So it's rectangle here. You can make it as an arrow. You can do the rounded corners, arrowhead, how you like it. We can make it as let me see if we can make it as you can make it as heart, you can make it as um, apple. Let's leave it as it is. In the rotation, you can select the rotation if you want to, and the style you can set it as default, how you want it to look when you hover over it. So for example, for the hover, we can change the text color to blue. You can also make it a bit bold and you can bring it to side. So this is how it will appear. Now, further, you can also do it for press or selected. So for the selected, we can make it bold. We can bring it to this. So now you can see the table is appearing as this. However you like it, you can change the style here. In the grid layout, you can change the horizontal to vertical if you like. Let me expand this and you can bring it like this. So this is your button. You can also make it into a grid or horizontal. It was already there. In the bookmarks also you can make it so we have the all ones here, so you can also select deselection if you want, and this is how you format. So graph and table. In the general, it's like any Power BI visual that you uh, format. In the general properties, you can add a title to your bookmark navigator. You can add any effects, background, visual border, a shadow, so however you like it. So this is how easily you can create bookmarks in your Power BI report. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watching for more. Thank you.